I try to, dream big and have your head beyond the clouds, but always remain with the feet on the ground. I work at Deloitte, Belgium, in consulting, in CBO, which is the technology department, and inside the cloud team. And then on my project, I've got the role of PMO of the AWS Deloitte Alliance in the EMEA region. And I've got the role of coordinator, facilitator. We have an alliance between many countries, and I'm part of the core team. So we try to facilitate information, initiatives. This could be about trainings, capability building, it could be about doing more business, it could be marketing initiatives. So I end up doing a lot of diverse activities, which is why I like it a lot. It's always new challenges, always a new learning opportunity. I decided to study at IE because of diverse environment, opportunity to start and lead your own projects. And the combination of the knowledge, I think, would equip me with the right tools to then proceed with my career in the areas that interested me. I did a dual degree in business, administration, international relations, which was a bit like the combination of having something that's business and something that's a bit more political sciences. If my profile wanted to make a career, let's say, whether it would be starting my own business, working for international organizations, working for very large corporations, the combination could be interesting. To me, sports are very important because they're my main source of energy, right? So I work, invest a lot of time and energy, but then I need to do sports to actually recharge the batteries. So I play paddle with my friends, then I go running in the park, I go to the gym. Other hobbies I may have are reading. I like to spend time with my friends. After playing a game of paddle, taking a drink together, whether it's going for dinner or whether it's taking brunch on Sundays. I started volunteering around December for an association called TADA. Basically, I go to do workshops with children coming from less privileged backgrounds. The other part is more with teenagers, and there we've got more one-on-one sessions. And it's something I really like. I can see I have an impact, so it's very fulfilling, very rewarding. I tell them to never limit their imagination and creativity, because it's what makes the people unique and magical.